Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start in Settings, go straight to System or General Management to find date and time. Once there, make sure you can access the toggles. This is where Automatic Network Time lives. Turn off Automatic Date and Time if you plan to set values yourself. You do this because the network will override manual entries. While connected to Wi-Fi, the network value may appear, so disable it first. Then pause and prepare to enter the time and date fields manually. Now you change the actual numbers. Tap Set Time to type or spin to the desired hour and minute. You'll see AM/PM on 12-hour devices or a 24-hour option you can toggle. Make sure the time zone shown matches where you are. If not, tap Time Zone and pick the correct region so alarms and calendar events stay aligned. Once time is right, move to Set Date and update day, month, and year. Double-check before saving so scheduled reminders remain accurate. Finish by saving your manual entries and observing the system clock in the status bar. If you prefer network accuracy, re-enable automatic date and time after verifying time zone. Otherwise, keep manual mode to prevent automatic resets. If the clock snaps back or apps show wrong times, restart the phone. That clears cached system time. If problems persist, make sure your SIM and carrier settings allow network time or test with Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.